We mainly produce 3 types paper drill bit. Okay, the most popular one is the straight shank paper drill bit, available diameter from 2 mm to 10 mm. The second type is the tapered shank paper drill bit. This one, available diameter is also from 2 mm to 10 mm. The third model is the Chinese paper drill bit. This one, available length is 85 mm. Maximum diameter is 15 mm. Okay. Finally, we also make the paper drill bit sharpener to grind the inner part to make the paper hollow, more smooth. Okay. For the packaging, we pack 1 piece per box like this. Alright, contact us for free samples. Thank you.